Well, this morning you'll notice it's a little bit drier out there in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that is going to inhibit any kind of rains developing along the west coast of Florida. It's not stopping showers from developing along the east coast. And if you'll recall, over the weekend we were dealing with a low pressure system that helped to bring about some rain showers for us, and that low has now moved along the Louisiana coastline, and it's taken a lot of this moisture along with it. However, we are now looking at an additional low pressure system that's located out here in the Atlantic. You can see that counterclockwise swirl right here, and this is where this low is developing, and it's something that the National Hurricane Center is going to be paying attention to over the next couple of days. Right now there's a 1% chance that it could develop into a tropical system, but what we're going to do is just keep our eyes on it. But it could bring about some more rain chances and higher rain chances for us as the week progresses. In the meantime, it's shooting off some showers. You can see some of these showers now developing out here in the Atlantic, and eventually these showers are going to be moving onshore, and eventually those showers are going to be moving here towards the west coast later on this afternoon, bringing us about a 40% chance of rain. But right now we don't have anything developing along the west coast. We've had a couple of showers located out here in the Gulf. They're moving away because we've got the winds coming in out of the northeast, and that's pushing any activity developing nearby farther away from us. As you can see, those winds right now still out of the northeastern part of the area, and so that's meaning that we're not going to see any development coming at us from the Gulf of Mexico. But later on today, you'll notice by 11 o'clock, still quiet, but we're now starting to see some showers popping up over the central part of the state. And then as the day wears on, all of that rain starts to move in our direction. Do you remember yesterday you might have had lots of sunshine and all of a sudden you drive through a rain shower? We could see some of that developing again today. And what's going on is we've got 0% chance of rain through 9 o'clock this morning, but then once 10 o'clock comes around, we start to move those rain chances up incrementally, 20% chance until 1 o'clock, and then by 2 o'clock this afternoon, we're back up to a 50% chance of rain. So our best chances are going to be taking place after 2 o'clock this afternoon, with rain showers and the possibility of a thunderstorm very isolated in our forecast. Right now, temperatures all around the state are in the 70s, some 80s popping up in locations. Key West, Melbourne reporting 82 degrees, 83 in Key West, 81 degrees in Miami right now. For us, we're all in the mid 70s. If you go farther inland, we are looking at temperatures that are a little bit warmer. And as far as the tropics are concerned, we've got Fabiano out here in the Atlantic. We have this low pressure system over Louisiana. The other one that we're watching out here in the Atlantic, this is just something that's a wait and see, and then we don't have anything other than some waves coming off the coast of Africa. As far as the rest of the nation is concerned, wet weather over the northern plains and parts of the southeast. And for us, we are looking at a 40% chance of rain for today, and then over the 4th we've got a 50% chance in our forecast, and we keep those rain chances at 40 to 50% for the rest of this work week.